In this video, we're going to use the automated parcel creation tools to subdivide an existing parcel using the slide and swing line commands. So first we have to go initiate the parcel creation tools by dropping down parcels, selecting parcel creation tools, and selecting our parcel layout tools bar. What we're going to go ahead and do is specify our automatic parcel creation parameters. What we're going to do is do a minimum area of 1/3 of an acre, which is 1,4,375, 14,375 square feet. We're going to set our minimum frontage as 60. We're going to leave our minimum frontage at offset as yes. We're going to change our frontage offset to 20 feet. We're going to have a minimum depth of 50 feet and a maximum depth of 50 feet. We are not going to specify a maximum depth, and we are going to use the shortest frontage. For our automatic parcel creation, we are going to leave on automatic mode, and we are going to choose to redistribute the remainder. The choices for remainder distribution is if you come up with a solution and you have a small parcel left over that does not meet the parcel sizing criteria, this is how you choose to redistribute that remainder. You can either create a parcel from the remainder, place the remainder in the last parcel, or redistribute the remainder across all the parcels that you create. So I'm going to choose redistribute remainder, and you can see in the image below, it shows you how that remainder distribution is going to work. So now we're going to drop down and we are going to do a swing line creation first. Civil 3D is going to prompt us to select what site we want to do it in. We have these previous 3 parcels in the development site, so we're going to go ahead and keep using the development site. We're going to make them property parcels, and we are not going to assign label styles yet. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. Civil 3D is prompting us to select a parcel to be subdivided. I want to subdivide this area so that we're going to create them into smaller developable lots. So I'm going to select the area label for this parcel, and then Civil 3D will prompt me to select a starting point on my frontage. So my frontage is going to go along what could potentially be my right-of-way parcel. So I'm going to select this point on my right-of-way frontage. I'm going to go along this line, and Civil 3D forces me to stay on this line because it knows that this entity is a frontage. So I'm going to select an area that is about perpendicular to the corner of this. So we're going to go right about here. And then Civil 3D is asking me to specify a swing point. My swing point is going to be from this point right here. And what Civil 3D automatically does is it creates these 3 swing line parcels and then tells me that this is going to be a new parcel and this area is going to be a new parcel. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit enter to accept that. And then I'm going to go ahead and drop down and choose a slide line create. So slide line create is asking me to subdivide another parcel. I'm going to select the area label for this remaining area down here. Civil 3D is going to then prompt me to select a point on the frontage. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to come around my frontage this way and go all the way around my frontage to this point here. Civil 3D is now asking me to specify an angle. This is the angle that our parcels will come off of our frontage at. So what I want to do is I want to select the endpoint of this parcel and select the back point of this parcel. And what Civil 3D is going to do is it will now automatically create all these parcels along that frontage. I'm going to hit enter to accept that, and I'm going to do one last slide line create. I'm going to subdivide this property. I'm going to use the frontage from this point, returning around to the end of this curve, and I'm going to specify my angle from that point to my swing line point, and it's going to give me 3 more parcels, and I'm going to hit enter to accept those parcels, and we have now used swing line and slide line to subdivide this single parcel into multiple smaller parcels.